Welcome to our channel. Opting out of app background refresh for iCloud can help save battery life and reduce data usage. Follow these step-by-step instructions to disable this feature. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is represented by a gray gear icon on your home screen. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on General from the Settings menu. This section contains system-wide device settings. Step 3. Look for Background App Refresh in the General Settings menu. Tap on this option to access background refresh controls. Step 4. You'll see a list of all apps installed on your device. Background App Refresh allows apps to update content when you're not actively using them. Step 5. To disable background refresh for iCloud specifically, scroll through the app list and find any iCloud-related apps such as iCloud Drive, Photos, or Mail. Step 6. Toggle off the switch next to each iCloud app you want to prevent from refreshing in the background. The switch will turn gray when disabled. Step 7. Alternatively, you can disable background app refresh entirely by toggling off the main switch at the top of the background app refresh screen. This affects all apps. Step 8. If you want to be more selective, you can choose to allow background app refresh only when connected to Wi-Fi by selecting Wi-Fi instead of Wi-Fi and cellular data. Step 9. Exit the settings and verify that your changes have taken effect. You may notice improved battery life and reduced cellular data usage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.